Hey there. Most people don't get excited about low code. It's not a flashy new programming language, nor is it the next AI breakthrough. If you ask software engineers, many will tell you it's a little boring. But for business people, boring is exactly what we want. Low code is quietly transforming how organizations modernize operations, automate work, and adopt AI at scale. Not because it's technically impressive, but because it's practical and it's accessible. Traditionally, if your team wants to automate something, have an application built to help them, or create a new report, they'll need to ask IT. IT people are super hardworking, but everyone in the organization is asking them all their requests all the time. So they'll do their best, but your request is likely going on the backlog for a few weeks, probably a few months. Low code changes that dynamic completely. With a bit of training, a marketing manager or an operations analyst can build their own automation in a few hours. They don't need to code, they drag and drop, they test, they roll out improvements immediately. And because frontline teams know their pain points best, this democratization accelerates the improvement across the entire organization. One workflow saves a few hours to a single team, but dozens of workflows across multiple departments can save thousands. Low code also flips the development model. Instead of custom building everything from scratch, you reuse connectors, templates, components that already exist. That means the time spent goes towards building and implementing solutions, not building infrastructure. And with so many AI models that can be integrated off the shelf, it doesn't take much for a team to become able to create their own intelligent automated processes. And since it's the team who's built the tool, they're also able to maintain it. Instead of relying on IT for every small tweak, teams can do it themselves. They understand their solution, so changes happen quickly without bottlenecks. Companies generally don't have a hard time finding ideas for automation or AI, but they do struggle in putting them in place and scaling them. Where do we start? Where do you get the budget to hire a bunch of developers and data scientists? Low code solves that. As a leader, your job will be to choose a platform, train your teams, encourage reuse, keep governance light, and show people how to integrate AI early. If you don't know where to start, see the comments for a link to a Udemy training I personally like and recommend to help people get started. Low code may not be glamorous, but it's the foundation that finally lets automation and AI scale across the business. And that's exactly what makes it so powerful. That's it for today. If you want to learn more, the link to the full blog post is in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.